glue the bridge on, we have to remove the lacquer. So you indicate with some masking tape exactly where the bridge is going to be, and I compensate for string tension. So for example, if you use a 650 millimeter scale, you'll have to bring the bridge back 1 to 3 millimeters from the theoretical scale. So it depends on on string tension, exactly how far back it goes. So for example, if you we have low tension and low action, then 651 will do. But for high action and high tension, you may have to go as far back as 653 or even 654 to get the instrument to play in tune. So for the fun part, you take a really sharp knife, like this scalpel, and a ruler with protective felt or rubber, and you carefully make incisions into the lacquer. You make them a bit smaller than the base of the bridge, so that when you give the bridge a beveled side or beveled edge, it's going to fall right into place. Well, this way around. It's going to fall right into place. Don't cut too deep, because we want to remove lacquer and not wood. So, and when you're done with that, you take a razor blade or a scalpel or a scraper blade, and you scrape away the lacquer between the lines. And again, make sure that you touch only lacquer and try to avoid scraping the wood. I put this ruler on the outside of where I want to cut, so that if I slip, at least I'll be slipping in the right direction. So that's one, and I'm going to have to turn around now and do the other side. So when you scrape away the lacquer from the top, you can chamfer the edges of the bridge. Doesn't need a lot, just a 45-degree angle or something on the base of the bridge. So let's see, a fraction of a millimeter is ample, depending of course on how wide the base of the bridge is and how much you took away from the top. But in my case, it's about, well, it's less than half a millimeter, about a quarter. So this should be fine. I'll now do a dry setup, and on the inside I have a block of wood just like this one that has the curve of the top and incisions where the braces are. So this is for a 7 fan bridge, top. Inside of course is with sticky double-sided tape to the inside is 145. And I've put the clamps there, and they're supported on the inside at the bottom, so there's not a lot of stress on the top. do dry setup.